Hello everyone, welcome to Jumbo IS. So this is an introduction lecture for current affairs for Phoenix batch, that how we are going to cover all the current affairs of past 1 year, which is very much relevant for our UPSC prelims 2026. We already have shared the schedule with you guys, that this is the schedule, the scheme, the pattern that we are going to follow for our Phoenix batch. But if you still don't have that schedule, you can find that in our pinned comment. Okay, so that thing is clear to us, that what will be the schedule, etc. So if we jump to the conclusion that what is the scheme, the pattern, the schedule for coverage of current affairs, so the answer lies in two facts. Number one, we have to practice MCQs a lot, and second, we have to study daily with consistency, regularity and punctuality, and with some sort of discipline. Okay, so the answer is not that you have to study 60 pages a day, 100 pages a day. You can study those pages, but it is very difficult to remember all the facts which are covered in those current affair magazines, PT 365 and e-papers of the Indian Express and the Hindu. Okay, so it is not like that you don't have material to study. That is abundance of sources, abundance of material that is available in our market, that this is the PT 365 of this academy, of that academy, this is the explained series of Indian Express, the all the articles are all together in one PDF. So availability of material is there, but you have to study with a very effective manner, that this is the scheme, that this is the schedule, this is the pattern you have to follow for UPSC Prelims 2026. In our Phoenix batch, what we are going to cover, first of all, we are going to practice you multiple MCQs, and we are going to give you targets daily, that these are the 20 topics for current affairs of environment or geography or internal security or society and IR and etc. We are going to give all the targets to you, and you have to study those amount of notes in one day, and from that notes you have to practice all the MCQs that we are going to give you the next day. So there will be a plan. Okay, so what is the plan that we have to remember? That first of all, we are going to practice daily 20 MCQs. For example, today is the 6th of January. Okay, hypothetical example, 6th of January, 6th of February, 26th of February, whatever the date you want to know. So for example, the date is 6th of January. So on 5th of January, we are going to give you some notes of current affairs. And if we cover the environment portion, first of all, we'll cover the environment portion basically. So on 5th of January, we will give you the notes, that these are the 20 topics which are very much relevant for UPSC 2026, that question can come from this source. Okay, so you have to study these 20 topics, and you have to practice these, and you have to practice MCQs based on these topics the next day, so that there is some time limit between the practicing of MCQs and your study plan. So if you study for 1 hour and you just practice MCQs after 1 hour or after half an hour, then all the questions will be right. So there should be a gap between your study and practice of MCQs. Okay, so the next day you'll practice MCQs, and there will be a video of 20 MCQs explanation that we are going to give you, that this MCQ is based on this topic, and these facts you have to remember. So by studying the notes, by practicing the MCQs, and by watching the lecture of 20 MCQ explanation, there will be 3 time revision of 20 topics. And this practice of 20 MCQs daily and 20 topics reading daily, that will cover all the current affairs in next 90 days. Okay, and if we talk about environment, all the facts relevant to prelims from PT 365, from all the newspapers, from all the current affair magazine of past 1 year, we are going to cover all the sources. So you don't have to rely on any other source. You can just rely on our notes, that these are the 20 topics for a day, and these are the 20 MCQs for the next day. Okay, so 20 MCQs daily will be practiced of most important 20 topics that are relevant for UPSC 2026. Notes of these topics will be covered, and yes, UPSC prelims 2026 is our target. So the talks of here and there, and that this can be important, this may not be important, so all cut to the chase that this is the important relevant source, this is the important relevant notes that you have to study. Okay, so if we talk about current affair of environment, then we have covered all the Indian Express, the Hindu, all the Down to Earth magazine, and we have covered all the PIB sources, and we have covered MOEFCC. That all the rules, the regulations, the policies, the acts, the amendments in the acts, all are very important for us. Okay, so that's why we have covered all the sources which are relevant, and from these sources the question comes. Okay, so it is not like that the this MCQ is, I don't know from where. So sometimes it will be in the news, and from that news it will be covered, and from that news it will come in our exam. Okay, so the idea is that you have to practice MCQs, but you have to practice MCQs based on the notes that we are going to provide. So this will help you in remembrance of all the facts. It will sharpen your memory that you have covered all these 20 topics 3 times a day, and there will be a sectional test on the completion of one module. This is, we are talking about current affairs. So if we are covering current affair of environment in 5 days or 6 days or 7 days, so after 7 days or 6 days there will be a test of all the current affairs that we have already studied. There can be some questions that we don't have, that we didn't cover. Okay, so by explanation you can also read that. So all the topics, all the relevant sources are covered for UPSC Prelims 2026, which is very much sufficient for clearance of our UPSC Prelims 2026. The idea is that practice MCQs, but study daily with some consistency, punctuality, and regularity. Okay, so with this, we are launching our Phoenix batch, that we are covering all the current affairs, we are covering all the static portion, that economy, history, polity, geography, science and tech, and art and culture, AMC, everything will be covered in this batch, and the schedule will be like this. For current affair, it is 20 MCQs a day. For static portion, it is 30 MCQs a day. And similarly, we are going to give you notes for static portion as well in advance, and you have to study those daily targets, and you have to practice MCQs based on the notes that we have given you in advance. So there will be a revision multiple times, and that will help you in your memory. Okay, so this is basically our plan. And if you are interested to join our Phoenix batch, you can call us on the number given below, and you can message us as well. And if you face any issue regarding anything about UPSC Prelims 2026, then you can message us. Thank you so much, and all the best. We'll see you in our Phoenix batch. Thank you so much.